Hey everyone, JustReviewHD here, and it's been a while since the last video. I think 8 years, but today we have something special, something unique that's out there, and it's the Ulefone Ultra 28 or the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra. It's a rugged flagship smartphone. And so let's take a look. It just came out, I believe, a week ago. This just came in today, all the way from China. You could buy it on AliExpress. There's feels like multiple items here in the box. So let's open it up and see what we got. I do know when you purchase it from AliExpress, they are including a free gift. I believe in this case it's an endoscope. So let's open it up and see what we're working with. So we got, the endoscope. We'll just set that right there. I also got the wireless charger that comes with the phone. This is the phone, the thermal version. And then this is, I believe, the wireless charger. So let's start with the most exciting stuff, the phone. Good wrapping. I did take about a week to get over here, but can't complain. So, envelope, inside the envelope, styrofoam wrapper, and here we have the Ulefone Armor 28 Ultra Thermal Edition. So it says up to 32 gigs, but it's 16 virtual RAM, 16 gigs actual physical RAM. So let's open this up, just so you have an idea of what the box says. 1 terabyte storage, 10,000 milliamp battery, 120 watt fast charging. It says flash charging. Android 14, but I do believe they have an Android 15 coming out. 50 megapixel camera. I believe it's a 1-inch sensor. But let's see, something sharp. There's two variants. One comes with a EU plug, and the other one comes with a US plug. This one comes with the US plug, I hope. Little message. It's awesome. Packaging wise, looks pretty good. So instruction manual, probably. Yeah, SIM card, screen protector, glass screen protector, and then the actual phone. This is a brick. This is heavy. This is very heavy, but it's a rugged smartphone, so it's something you should expect from a phone that has an almost 11,000 milliamp hour battery, in addition to being rugged and having a thermal camera and all that good stuff. So there's the power brick, 120 watt, super fast charging, also a yellow USB-C cable that could support 120 watt charging. Little arm lanyard, and that's pretty much everything that's in the box. So let me just drop that in there. And we could take a closer look at the actual phone. I might be doing an in-depth review of the actual phone, but I'll save that for another video. This is more of just so people have an idea of what to expect in the box. Oh, the top was was open. I should have just pulled it out. There it is. That's where Ulefone is known for having attachments. This is where the scope would go, and any other attachments, SIM card, customizable button. I believe that's what it is, or maybe it's this one. No, this is the customizable button. Volume up, volume down. I believe fingerprint scanner, and the power button probably. Here we have the charging port, which is protected with a rubber grommet, which I can't seem to get out at the moment. So it is waterproof, dustproof, all that good stuff. There's the secondary screen. I believe that's the thermal camera right there. 1-inch sensor, flashlight, night vision, and headphone jack, IR, probably IR, so you can use it as a remote. Let's see if we can boot it up. There it goes. There it goes. So it does work, which is nice. This is the fast charging, I believe it's 50-watt wireless charger. Let's get that open just so you guys know what's in the box. Yep, 50-watt wireless charger. It's let's take a look. Cooling fan, wireless charger. So there you go. And the last package, an endoscope, just so you guys have an idea. That's what it looks like right there. And so you open it up. I know it all depends on where you ordered your phone. Some phones came with a free wireless charger. Some phones came with a case. Some phones came with endoscope. So it's basically a camera, and you could stick it in tight places to get a better image. So let's see. This basically connects right there, really. That's how it should be. There's a hook right there, and it screws in like so, I believe. I'm not gonna put it in, but let's see, or maybe not. But that's how it goes. I might do an in-depth review in a little bit, but that's all of it. Thank you for watching, and as I mentioned before, you can find the actual store that I ordered from in the description. It's the official Ulefone store. If you could order it from Amazon, I think there's a premium on Amazon, but I'll include those links as well. And let me know if you have any questions, and I'll dig into it. Thank you. Bye.